Hi, 6th grade band. I wanted to make a video to explain to you how to use those practice tracks I made for you on your scales, okay? So it's actually pretty simple. You follow the instructions. So if it says first 4 notes up, you play 4 notes up. If it says play down the scale, you play the entire scale going down. And then you just repeat those so that you play them each a total of 3 times. It's really that simple. Okay, so I'm going to play along with you this time to help you out with that. 5-minute workout. B-flat concert. First 4 notes up. 1, 2, ready, go. Now you repeat it. Now here's the 3rd time. Now you listen for the instructions. First 4 notes down. 1, 2, ready, go. Repeat it. A 3rd time. Instructions. Up the scale. 1, 2, ready, go. Do it again. 1, 2, ready, go. Last time. 1, 2, ready, go. Down the scale. 1, 2, ready, go. Do it again. Ready, go. Last time. Ready, go. Up and down. Ready, go. Do it again. Ready, go. Last time. Ready, go. Dance break. So, you gotta dance because that's what the instructions say. It's a dance break. Spit. The next time we're gonna play, we're gonna be going twice as fast. So get ready. Twice as fast this time. Okay, so you gotta move it. 1, 2, ready, go. So that was the 3rd time. First 4 notes down. The instructions. 1, 2, play down. Ready, go. And then you do it again. And then you do it a 3rd